Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by defining a clear, narrow intent. Stop subjective time for focused tasks, not literal physics. Once done, create a controlled environment, dim lights, a single focusing object, and a stopwatch to record baseline perception. You should measure your breathing, heart rate, and jot subjective time estimates in a notebook. These form comparison points. Start with short targets, 10 to 30 seconds of perceived pause, then proceed. Make sure to prioritize safety and reversible steps. You will expand duration. You now train sustained attention and temporal distortion through breath work and anchors. Use 4-4-6 breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6, and repeat 3 sets to steady autonomic tone. Then apply an attention anchor, a phrase, a tactile point, or a single object. Lock focus on it while minimizing internal narration. Once comfortable, extend interval targets progressively, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, while recording perceived time and physiological markers. This practice reshapes how your brain samples You finish by solidifying the skill into reliable sequences. Combine a pre-session ritual, 3 calming breaths, a cue phrase, and a tactile anchor, so your brain cues the pause state quickly. Practice short daily drills to retain gains and keep a log of durations, sensations, and errors. Use those notes to tweak pacing. If your focus drifts or panic rises, reset immediately. 3 deep breaths, acknowledge the sensation aloud, and return to the anchor. That quick reset prevents session collapse and speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.